I'm going to show you multiple ways to use Chat GPT to actually make money online. Now, there's a ton of videos online showing you theoretically how to use Chat GPT to make money online. But guys, I'm actually using Chat GPT to make a lot of money in my business. If you saw this video right here, I showed you how I use Chat GPT to create an entire course from complete scratch. And I created this video showing you how I use Chat GPT to create completely faceless videos and upload them to YouTube so we can make money and generate leads. There are literally hundreds of ways that you can use Chat GPT to make money online. But in this video, I'm going to show you simple methods that you can start using to make money with artificial intelligence. Now, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya, and the purpose of this channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. Let's get into the video. So number one is creating a marketing plan for businesses. Whether it's an online business or a brick and mortar business, you can help businesses create a complete marketing plan. Let me show you how. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Google and type in AI PRM. Now, this is a Google extension that actually connects to Chat GPT. So you're going to click on this, and all you have to do is add this to Google Chrome. Now, when you do that, this is how Chat GPT is now going to look. You're going to have all these prompts that are going to allow you to do multiple things. Now, in the example that I mentioned, helping businesses with a marketing plan, this allows you to do that. This is incredible. So let me show you how. Okay, so if you scroll down, there's a prompt right here called Buyer Persona Legend. Okay, so if we click on this prompt right here, it's going to say right here at the bottom, what does your business sell and where are your clients? So let's just say you're trying to help, a local donut shop, and then you're going to tell them who your clients are, right? You could literally say, you could put donut shop in a rich neighborhood or rich area, okay? Let's just see what it says. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna literally figure out the target audience, okay? Check this out. So it's gonna say, like the first thing it does is it gives me the type of audience that this donut shop is gonna attract, okay? So this is very, very valuable. Check this out here. So demographics, it says a name, Emma Thompson, 38, corporate lawyer. She makes $200,000 a year. She's married. So guys, this is super valuable information, right? Because you can go to this local donut shop and say, hey, I'm going to give you an entire marketing plan. I'm going to help you figure out exactly who your target audience is. And businesses will pay tons of money if you're able to help them come up with a marketing plan. And not only that, right? It gives you not only the demographics, but the psychographics, which is basically how she thinks about life, right? Her hobbies, right? She's into fitness, reading, traveling, interests, cultural arts, fashion, right? The psychographics is what actually gets people to take action, right? Like this is how you would attract this type of person to come into your business. It doesn't matter what type of business it is, but what I'm saying is this is such a cool prompt, and you can literally take this prompt and help any business grow with this marketing plan. Now, not only can you help them figure out their demographics, psychographics, we can even say, okay, now that we have this information, we can say, can you write me 10 ads for short form videos, right? So now it's literally going to write, a script for all these things, right? So we got the hooks and all this stuff based on the info that we got, right? That's where it becomes extremely valuable. So imagine walking into a business and saying, hey, give me $1,000, $2,000, whatever it is, and I'm gonna create a complete marketing plan so you don't have to do it. I'm gonna figure out who your target audience is. I'm gonna figure out the ads, and it's gonna be all done for you. And I'm gonna charge you, again, $5,000, $10,000, whatever you wanna charge. And all you would have to do is get some basic data from the business and then just type it into Chat GPT and then present it to the business, and you could be making money without very much experience. Okay, so the second method to make money with Chat GPT is to become a YouTube video email curator. So basically what that means is there's a ton of YouTubers out there. They're making video after video after video, but they don't have time to email their email list. So what you can do to help a lot of these YouTube business owners is you can go to them and say, hey, I'm gonna take your entire video, put it into a readable email, and send it out to your audience. Because some people like to watch YouTube videos and some people just want to read an email. So let me show you a really cool tool that you can do this on autopilot using Chat GPT. Okay, so if you go to Google and type in YouTube and article summary, there's a really cool Google Chrome extension. If you click on this right here, this is what it looks like. So you want to add that to your Google Chrome. And after that, what you can do is you can go to any YouTube video and click on the top left. Let me show you. Okay, so let's just say we want a complete summary of my YouTube video without having to watch this. Okay, this is super cool. So let's just take any one of these videos and you'll see, okay, if you zoom up, I'm gonna zoom up on here, you can see this little Chat GPT symbol. Now what that is, this is the Chrome extension right here, okay? That's how you're able to get that. But what happens here, if we go back, is if you click on that, what it's gonna do is it's gonna go to Chat GPT and it's gonna summarize the whole video, okay? So as you can see, it just gave me the entire video summarized. Okay, so this is the prompt I asked it. So obviously it gave us the entire script of the video so we don't have to go and watch it. Now what I said here is, can you write this in a simple email for users to read using bullet points for the main points? So let's just see what it gives us here. And then of course we can mess around and make it better. Okay, so looking through here, it looks like a really good email. The only thing I would probably change here is just say, write this in first person from Jonathan Montoya. Okay, so now it's just gonna write like if it was my video and then I sent the email, right? So now it looks like it's coming from me and it took the entire summary of the video and it gave me an email. So now people can digest this content literally from an email. So imagine doing this for other YouTubers, right? So I would love for someone to do this, right? And of course, I want to make sure this is in my own words and all that good stuff, but there it is. Obviously, it's taking my script, so pretty much my languaging and putting it in an email. So now what happens here is, you know, I'm busy making YouTube videos. All these YouTubers are busy doing that. They don't have time to create emails. So imagine you going to 10, 20, 30 other YouTubers and charging them a couple $100 a month, and you'll be making anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 a month, literally by using Chat GPT. And then of course you would have access to their email autoresponder, and you could be sending emails every time that they make a video. Okay, so the third way that I would use Chat GPT to make money online is becoming a YouTube script writer. Now again, YouTubers are so busy filming the videos, so when it comes to scripting it and the keyword research and the research for the video in general, they don't have the time to create an entire script. So what you can do is use ChatGPT to create an awesome script. Now here's the thing, you can't just create an amazing YouTube script with just one prompt. So that's where you come in and you prompt it to create a script that makes sense and that the audience is gonna love. So going back to ChatGPT and using the AIPRM prompts, you'll notice if you scroll down, it says YouTube script creator. So you can actually use this prompt to at least get started with the script. So as an example, I typed in 5 ways to get free traffic to an online business. Now remember, we're using this YouTube script creator prompt, okay? So it already knows that we want a script for YouTube. So let's just see what it gives us. Again, it really depends on how you prompt it to create this content. So what you're gonna wanna do is take a look at it and see if it's even a good script. Because when it comes to YouTube script writing, obviously you want people to be engaged and more importantly, watch until the end. So we take a look at this. If we scroll to the top, the first way is social media powerhouse. Okay, that's pretty basic there. The power of SEO. Strategy number 4, collaborate and network. See, that doesn't really make sense because a lot of people, when they have an online business, they don't really want to do that with the networking. So maybe I would take that one out. So harness the power of content marketing. So again, that would be the same thing as maybe the first one. So, you know, what you would want to do is obviously go in here and ask it, hey, take out number 5, take out number 3, go into more detail on number 1, give me some more tactics, right? So that's where it becomes your job as the YouTube script writer. And it's almost impossible to create a perfect script with just one prompt. So you, as the YouTube script creator, you need to go ask ChatGPT, right? Maybe tell a joke here. What's the history of this marketing strategy or whatever it is, right? Things that, make the video better. So maybe you take 5, 10, 20 minutes to create a YouTube script, and then you hand that to the YouTube creator. And of course, they're gonna love you for it because they didn't have to go do it. Okay, so the fourth way to make money with ChatGPT, I promise you, businesses are gonna love you for that. And that's creating short form videos for businesses. Now, in this day and age, all businesses, whether it's online or offline, want more attraction, want more traffic to their business. So what you can do is use ChatGPT to create short form video scripts, but then you could take those scripts and create a faceless video and then upload it for them. So let me show you how I would do this. So if you go back to ChatGPT and you type in right here, short video, there's actually a prompt for this. So as you can see here, you could click on this prompt, and basically what it does is it creates a script for short form video. So let's go ahead and prompt this and see what it gives us. And then I'll show you how we take this script and create a no face short form video. So you don't have to do any of the shooting, and also your client doesn't have to get on camera as well. So it's hands off for both you and your clients. All right, so as an example, let's just say you're trying to help a local chiropractor business. So I said here, why people need my chiropractor services. And what it does is it gives me an entire script, okay? It even says open shot, close up of a person sitting at a desk, holding their lower back with pain and an expression in their face. So you already know like what to do, but what's cool is you can take this script and put it in another tool that makes this faceless video. Now, of course, you can go and shoot this yourself, or you can give this script to the business owner. But again, they're probably busy doing the actual thing. For you, you can make a lot more money because you can say, hey, I'm gonna create the script for you, and I'm gonna create the video, and I'm gonna upload it to social media. Now, I did create an entire detailed video on how we take a script and make a faceless video. But essentially what we're doing is we're taking the script from ChatGPT and using a software called NVIDIA, and NVIDIA will create the actual video. But I explain it in full detail here if you want more information on that. But again, all you have to do is tell ChatGPT what type of script that you want, and then it's going to give you the entire script. Now, again, make sure that you're prompting the script, to be funny or to, be more simple. Make sure that it makes sense for the business that you're helping. And as far as how much to charge, it really depends on you and your experience. Obviously, the better you get, you can charge more, but you can start off anywhere from $500 to $1,000 a month and promise the business, hey, I'm gonna do 2-4 videos a week, completely off your hands. You don't have to create the content. You don't have to get on camera. I'm gonna take care of everything for you. And I promise you, that offer right there, so many businesses are going to take you up on that because they don't want to take the time and do the marketing themselves. All right, so the fifth and final way to make money using ChatGPT is turning a long form, either podcast or YouTube video, into multiple short form clips. So this right here is more specific to podcasters or YouTubers that make very long videos, but they don't have the time to go and create short mini clips. Now, if you've ever been on TikTok or Instagram Reels, you probably see a lot of these podcasters that will have short mini clips from a 1 hour or 2 hour podcast. Now, the cool thing about the podcasters is they love these clips because what happens is people watch these short clips, and then once they watch the short clips, and then they watch the hour or 2 hour long podcast. So as a podcaster, they want to get their videos into these short form clips so more people can subscribe and watch the full length podcast. Now, this tool right here is going to completely blow your mind. It's called Opus Clip. Now, what you can do is you can drop the podcast link. So for example, if I go over here and drop this video. Now, this is an example of a video that I made that was about an hour and a half long. What this does is you can see it's one long video and 10 viral clips. And what the AI does, as you can see here, it literally finds the best clips from the video and it even adds the captions. It's an absolutely amazing tool. And for you, it takes 5-10 minutes or even less to actually get the video. So for this right here, you can charge a good amount of income because these podcasters are not going to want to go and create all these short form videos. So this is a super, super cool tool. And as you can see, the videos are going to look very, very nice. And I'm not sure how it works, but this software and this AI knows exactly the best parts of the podcast. It'll make these mini clips. Now, I hope this video was of value. Let me know which method that you like the best down below. And let me know how you're using AI for either your business or your side hustle. Now, I do want to recommend my favorite side hustle that helped me leave my 9-to-5 job. And the best part is you can clone the entire process. So I'll leave that link down in the YouTube description, and that'll be the first link down below. And that'll give you access to my entire challenge showing you how you can leave your 9-to-5 job. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless.